Hi again, everybody. This is Kathy from Cats I'll Create, and I am coming on today with, we'll find out. Like I said, this was actually in a video I previously did, but then I started rambling about something else. So let me go ahead and show you. It does say Cats I'll Create, so I'm assuming this is an entry, and it doesn't have a name up here because the post office might have covered it. So anyways, so let's go ahead and see what it is. I'm on a Facebook group also where we're doing a paperclip exchange, and I know she did mail that one out, but I was waiting for that one and I was thinking this is what it was, but then I saw Cats I'll Create, so I'm assuming this is an entry, and we will find out right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull this out, and it's stuck in here. Oh, it really is stuck in here. Oh, it got glued in. Oh, how cute! This is so cute. And this is from Olivia Marmara, Olivia Marmara, I want to say. And oh, okay. I know who it's from. ORMCraftydesigns. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Okay, here is her beautiful memory decks card, and I will have to cover her address in the back. I did not want to. Yeah, I gotta cover her address. So isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh, look at he's so cute and with glasses. That's a panda, and that's a rosette panda. That is so darn cute. She has a little envelope right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me go ahead and show you guys. She has an I want to say they're enamel dots, and on the envelope she has a little ticket stub, and it has lemonade, 25 cents a glass. That is so cute, refreshing. And then she has like a little I don't know if you guys could see it. It's layered on the bottom. There's a layered, and it's like a oh my gosh, I can't even think of what it is right now. It's a punched, I want to say it's a punched small, like kind of like ribbon, and a cute heart. How cute. And the rosette, it's layered. It's really cute. There's a crimp paper right here, and that's really cute. And then right here on the oh, okay, here, see, sometimes that's why I can't show you guys a lot of detail, because I can't see it until I'm like turn it around and look at it myself. So the envelope, she did some crimp paper, and she what do you call it, you should cut it in like little strips right here, and she did this one right here too. So hopefully you guys could see. So both of them are cut with that scissor, the French scissor, I want to say it's called, and it's really cute. Oh, I'll cover her information down there. Let me see if she has anything else in here. Okay, and then she put this cute rosette. I'm thinking there was something on top of here, or maybe the, oh, sorry. Oh, here you go. It's a little backwards. So let me go ahead and open this. This is so cute. And this is a little rosette. This is like a, I want to say it is a Project Life card. Okay, and then she has a rosette, and look at this cute ice cream. Oh, it's so cute. And it has little dots, and they're like enamel dots. It's probably like a sticker, or it could be an ephemera. And then ice cream dream. I love ice cream. So she has a rosette and a scallop circle and a cute little heart, and then she put more of that little French paper here, and then she layered it with another paper, and she slanted a cut right here, and then she put washi tape and another enamel dot. This is so cute. I love it. So let me go ahead and just share some information about her. I already said her name, and I don't want to shop out her name anymore. That's enough. Her date of birth is June the 20th. Her favorite colors are purple, blue, coral, and her favorite style is shabby chic, and she likes bright and bold colors. Her favorite drink and treat is fruity candies, Starburst, Skittles, and loves coffee. Yep, I'm a coffee. I already had 3 cups of coffee and it's not even noon yet. Social media. So she's ORMCraftydesigns. Her Instagram is CraftyDesigns76. So I will, I'm not too sure if I'm subscribed to your Instagram, but if you are, I will go on there. And her Facebook, she's Paper Dreams. Okay, so there you go, everybody. And I will link her YouTube channel down on the description below. And thank you. I think I want to say when she emailed me, I think she emailed me and she put live, so I don't want to mess it up, but thank you again. This is really awesome. I love it. I love the pandas. They're so cute, and I love this paper. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. We will see you guys on our next video. Before I leave, I just wanted to remind everybody I did extend my date for my giveaway. It is for May the 17th, so you still have plenty of time to participate. If you still are interested in participating, all you have to do is just send me a memory decks card. You don't have to send me anything else if you don't want to. For the additional points, if you want to, those are the other options that you have, and I will link that up here on the page somewhere where you could see the details for the challenge giveaway. Anyways, thank you guys again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye.